Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to spicy dried shrimp omelette recipe. Hope you like it. I got this recipe inspiration when I saw the dried shrimp chili, so wanted to try it. My family liked this recipe so much, so I decided to share it with you all too. The most important tips about this recipe is to get your favorite dried shrimp and chili. Also, be patient when frying the eggs until they are fragrant, then it will be delicious. This spicy shrimp omelette is not spicy. It tastes with great chili oil fragrance and it's delicious. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Chili dried shrimp omelette. Ingredients: eggs, onion, chilies, dried shrimp. Peel and sliced onion. Crack eggs into bowl. Beat egg until frothy. One teaspoons pepper powder. 1 teaspoons chilies dried shrimp. Mix evenly. Stir fry onion until translucent. The reason why fried onions taste sweet is that they become sweet after being fried. This is because the onions themselves have a high sugar content, but when eaten raw, they are covered by the strong pungent smell, so you don't notice it. Only after high temperature cooking will the sweetness be fully revealed. Pour egg liquid and fire until bottom solidified. Cut into small pieces and flip egg, continue fry until solidified. Due to chili dried shrimp has enough taste, hence no seasoning is required for this recipe. Plate omelette. Delicious chilies dried shrimp omelette is ready to be eaten. This omelette is appetizing and delicious, and you can also taste the crispy onion shreds. It is a home-cooked dish that goes well with rice. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Onions contain allicin and have a strong aroma. When processed, the pungent smell often makes people cry. It is this special smell that can stimulate gastric acid secretion and increase appetite. Experiments have also proved that onions can increase gastrointestinal tension and promote gastrointestinal motility, thereby playing an appetizing role. It has a significant effect on loss of appetite caused by atrophic gastritis, insufficient gastric motility, indigestion, etc. Onions contain phytoncides such as allicin, which has strong bactericidal ability and can effectively resist influenza virus and prevent colds. When this phytoncide is discharged through the respiratory tract, urinary tract and sweat glands, it can stimulate the secretion of the cell duct wall in these locations, so it has the effects of expectoration, diuresis, sweating, antibacterial and antiseptic. Eggs are rich in protein and have high nutritional value. Regular consumption can not only delay aging but also prevent cancer. American nutritionists and medical workers use eggs to prevent and treat atherosclerosis, and have achieved unexpected and amazing results. They extract lecithin from eggs, walnuts, and pig liver, and give 4-6 tablespoons to cardiovascular patients every day. After 3 months, the patient's serum cholesterol dropped significantly and satisfactory results were achieved. Soaking boiled eggs in cold water makes the eggshells easier to peel off, but this practice is unhygienic. After the eggs are cooked, the membrane on the shell is destroyed. Placing the eggs in cold water will cause the temperature in the air cavity to drop sharply and form a negative pressure. Cold water and microorganisms can enter the eggs through the pores on the eggshell and the double membrane inside the shell, making them prone to spoilage during storage. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.